Oh, in this video, we're looking into VM instance. What is that VM instance? VM instance is nothing but a virtual machine. I can say that. How you can able to create here? You can see that, right? How you can able to create? Go here. It is whatever name in real time. What will be names, right? For example, I'm working for a global support. Means which country you are supporting for that. Accordingly, we need to maintain that. For example, as of now I am working for UK region, EMEA region, EMEA. Whether what is the server name, what it is this, what whether is it a web server, is any IIS server or something like that, right? Suppose this is a database server, okay, DB 001, it will be like that. Which location, based on the location they'll be creating, fine. Europe, right? Maybe Finland is the best place for data centers. It's suppose if you EMEA region, which country you are working for, this is the zone, which zone where you need to, it is accordingly you can select. Okay, this is region, this one is region, this one is zone. And which, what is that, what is the system intention, we need to go with that. Here you can see E2 series, or in real time all will be E2 series only. Some cases according to some if we are using some huge databases, accordingly we can go, but normally E2 is the best model. Is some N1 is some more very minimal 3 GB. For your testing purpose you can go with that. Normally we'll go with E2 machine. Okay, customize CPU levels also, accordingly you can go, but normally this is by default only we are going to see. This one, see here, lot of C series, high performance machines. Okay, huge workloads are there. In that case, you can go with that. Accordingly, you can see the cost also. Memory optimized. The okay, memory intention, which is large memory you need. In that case, you can go with that. Like, but I'm going to general purpose. See here, the cost is also $35. Too much, right? See how much CPU terabytes of there is there in this region. In this zone it is not available. Okay, it is, we won't use normally. I didn't see that. Generally I can go see container. If you are using any container, directly you can deploy in the container. This is the EMEA. What is this? 10 GB size, free, Debian. No, my client is asking CentOS or Ubuntu. Then you can go with this one. Images. By default, images will be there. Custom images and all those things are there. Later I will tell you in another video. Go here. See, lot of operating systems are there. Public images, Ubuntu. In that also you can select whatever version you need, 18 or 20 or 22. Normally, as of now, this is the instance we are going to see. Advanced configuration. You want to go with this one. Keys, encryption keys. Okay. By default, we can go with encryption. Later video, I will show you what is meant by encryption, what is meant by snapshot, everything. This one, make sure what happens is this one, delete boot disk. Means, for example, you are building a VM. After that, after couple of years or couple of months, this machine is unused, we are not using, you need to decommission this one. Decommission means you need to remove the VM. In that case, if you keep it this one, internally the boot disk will be available. For that they will be charging. Don't go with that. Delete. This one later I'll tell you. Name, custom device name also you can give. Let it be. Okay, this is service accounts, firewalls later. See, this one is GUI based. If you create GUI based, it will be creating command line. See, equivalent code. What is that? See here, code you will get it. Later I'll show you in another second. I'll show you how to create in command line. As of now, I'm creating in GUI based. It will be created in. It will take some time. Why EMEA DB means it is representing like a as per company norms. I can say that it is easy to identify. Okay, EMEA DB 01, 02, 03, EMEA web 001, like that it will be there. Okay, fine. It is created. You can log in like this. Maximize if you want to make it. See, you can increase, clear. See, machine name. What is the version it will display? See, Ubuntu 18, right? You can install whatever you want. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel for regular updates. Click on bell icon.